Welcome to another vlog. It is the very next day after the competition, and right now Saket and I are having our breakfast. And for me, breakfast is only black coffee, 2 meals a day. Saket is also having coffee and fruits.
Yeah, 40 grams oats, one scoop whey, same as usual.
Yep. And what are we training today?
आज legs है. I was hoping कि हम start chest से करते, पर लेग से करना ये अच्छी बात है क्योंकि हम कल के चेस्ट डे के लिए और एक्साइटेड होंगे.
That is true.
तो मज़ा आएगा. मैं तो ट्रेन करने के लिए क्रेव कर रहा हूँ. कल कंपटीशन की वजह से रेस्ट डे आ गया.
Yeah.
तो आज अच्छे से करेंगे एकदम.
Yep. So Saket trains all 7 days of the week, no rest days. And since we had a competition yesterday, he couldn't train in the gym. And I can imagine because even I miss the gym when I'm taking rest days, even though my body is like damn sore. But the reason for that is also because I've been doing too much in the gym. So I've learned a lot from Saket, and I'm excited to train with him and learn from him today as well.
क्या मज़ा आएगा.
It'll be very fun.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, bro. Also, I have to mention that this coffee is absolutely amazing. I've been having Nescafe ka coffee and I don't think I can go back to it now. It's really
Very
good.
difficult to go back.
Yeah, bro.
Instant coffee.
Pre-workout time.
Salt भी है थोड़ा.
Electrolytes.
पानी पिया तुमने?
Yes, yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's nice. All set for?
Leg day.
Oh my god, bro. Look at this guy.
Small.
No, not small at all. And getting there also, getting back.
Slowly. One day at a time.
One day at a time. Bro.
Dogs and lizards and snakes नहीं bro. क्या बोलता है? Reptile ही बोलता है.
Reptiles.
नहीं भाई बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
Me too, bro.
The most random moment in the vlog.
So we are at the gym. We have Avadut and Saket. We are going to train legs, starting with leg press right here. Let's.
Leg press, leg extension, hamstring curl, adductors, calves.
That's it, and we'll do it in half an hour. Tops.
Let's see. आराम से.
Yeah.
That you had time would be perfect together, but you hurt me so much that I had to leave you. Girl, I thought that you had time would be perfect together.
So we are back in the gym. It's been 15-20 minutes, I think, roughly.
तू पहले बता वर्कआउट कैसे लगा?
Oh yes, workout का मैं recap ही नहीं करा. तो workout was absolutely brilliant. Usually मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा time तक workout करता हूँ and I have a lot of sets that I do. But today we did 2 sets for leg press. 2 ही कहते ना?
One.
1 set for leg press, 3 for leg extensions, and then 3 for leg curls, and then 1 for abductors and 2 for calves. And उसमें ही मैं अगर clearly बोलूँ तो मेरी फट गई थी because we didn't train with ego. We trained with intention, and it was so fun. I'm gonna turn the camera around to Saket, and we're gonna get more thoughts in. So another black coffee before we head down to walk. And Saket, how was today's training?
So रिकवरी स्टार्ट करते हुए, कम बैक स्टार्ट करते हुए अब 2 महीने हो गया और इन 2 महीनों में ये मेरा सबसे एंजॉयबल सेशन था. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द फर्स्ट टाइम आई ट्रेन्ड विद समबडी एल्स. तो मेरे लिए इट फील्स लाइक आई एम कमिंग बैक टू माई ओरिजिनल सेल्फ. सबसे ज़्यादा एंजॉयबल सेशन यही था और ये मेरे लिए कोर मेमोरी रहेगी. और मैं कल के चेस्ट डे के लिए और एक्साइटेड हूँ. अगर लेग्स इतना अच्छा जा सकता है तो फिर चेस्ट के लिए व्हाट इज द लिमिट.
Love to hear it, bro.
बहुत मजा आएगा.
Let's go. So today I got to see Saket flexing his quads in the gym, and obviously he is not where he wants to be right now. This is his peak.
This is my peak. So this was I think 89 done for 50 seconds या कुछ. Even like the arms, ये leg day है but arms are so pumped. So this is where I want to be. और यहाँ पर end में एक flexing, ये देखो 40 kg dumbbells है. I think 30 reps या कुछ गए थे इसमें. But this is where I want to be. Look at
Bro,
it. That's unbelievable. तो अरे कर ना दोनों. हाँ. Look at that.
Bro.
That is insanity. तो इसीलिए मैं इतना खुश नहीं था. What a
साकेत ने बोला कि जैसे आई सॉ यू डूइंग OH yesterday one handed soul वैसे ही the same way reacting to my
same
words.
reaction this, yeah.
But भाई I am तो honestly amazed and since this is not even your peak
Yeah.
it blows my mind.
So मेरा ये guess है, अभी मेरा body weight 77 है, यहाँ पे मैं 71 था,
Okay.
70-71. तो I think the muscle is there, I just need to get leaner.
Yep.
तो 6 kgs of fat is a lot.
Yeah.
आप सोचो कि अगर आप चिकन ब्रेस्ट खरीदने के लिए जाते हो और भैया को बोलते हो 1 किलो चिकन ब्रेस्ट दे दो, तो वो इतना होता है.
Hmm.
तो इमेजिन 6 kg कितना है एंड इमेजिन दैट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन योर बॉडी.
Yeah.
दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ फैट. तो वो जब हटेगा ना तब लाइक यहाँ पे विदाउट फ्लेक्सिंग ये सारे वेन्स नजर आ रहे हैं एंड दिस आई थिंक इट्स
भाई
वेरी
साहब.
वेरी वेरी क्लोज नाउ. इन अनदर मंथ इफ आई गेट लीन
Yeah, easy.
even like shoulders and biceps, all this.
Alright bro, it's coming back.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's just difficult क्योंकि when you've seen yourself like this once, seeing yourself like this is not satisfying enough.
That is true.
So,
I can imagine.
yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Saket and I walked for around 30, 35, 40 minutes I think and then we came up. I just showered. He is showering I think. And uske baad we'll have our breakfast and uske baad we'll do a long cubing session where I'll teach him a lot of F2Ls, some more techniques and I'll also practice my cross plus 2. I think something that I've been lacking in my soles is that my planning is not the best and it can be improved. So we'll do that today in the afternoon. But before we do anything, we'll eat. So I'm very excited to eat my first meal of the day, anda sandwich, and that's gonna fill me up. Okay, I'll do that.
Rolling.
So I had this and I also had 4 anda sandwiches. And honestly, I'm so full. That was my first meal of the day, 1000 calories. Doing 2 meals a day going forward. तो आज रात को हम खाएंगे चिकन पास्ता. दैट विल कंप्लीट माई मील एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी सो सैटिस्फाइड कि नींद आएगी उसके बाद. सो नाउ व्हाट वी गोइंग टू डू इज साकेत विल स्टडी जापानीज एंड आई विल क्यूब क्रॉस प्लस 2 की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड उसके बाद विल डू आवर सेशन फॉर क्यूबिंग इन विच ही लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. लेट्स डू इट. ओके, क्रॉस प्लस 1.
एक सेकंड. वेट.
टेक योर टाइम. Bro, that's three in a row. 3 in a row, bro.
Let's go, bro.
That is insane.
Oh my god. Do we try?
Yep.
It works.
Oh, what?
Tell you what I see. ये जो है ना, ये basically ऐसे होने वाला है. ठीक है, but then my solution of the first one.
Pretty close.
Corner orientation.
Corner orientation. Corner कह रहा था मैं. Damn, bro.
Can you reverse what I did right now?
Just practiced a lot and we realized कि बाहर ऐसा मौसम हो रहा है. That's why we are out and it's amazing. It has started raining and the vibes are in.
Summer है या monsoon?
कौन
बोलेगा summer चल रहा है?
कौन बोलेगा सवाल है?
Shock the body.
Never let them know
Shock the
next
muscle,
move.
yeah. Bro, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. The chai is here. Cubes are here.
अब complete हो गया ना सब.
Complete हो
आर्यन का
गया.
सपना.
मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया.
आर्यन की fantasy.
There we go. There we go. 5.
इतना green हो गया लग रहा है color grade किया है.
For real, bro. So Saket and I practiced a lot of cubing in the afternoon. Chai pee, बारिश हो रही थी, and now we are here to play football with the kids over here, and we are having a good time. Wait, I'm vlogging also.
और पास आ जाओ सब लोग थोड़ा हार्ड करते हैं. थांब. एक करू तुम्ही दोघं वेगवेगळ्या टीम मध्ये.
Now playing the match. मजा आएगा.
मैं आर्यन, 2 बच्चे 3 बच्चे, 1 बच्ची 2 बच्चे. देखता है.
देखते हैं. Let's see how it goes. while playing. This happened. Was bound to happen, and it was fun, worth it. Although I'm taking a small rest, क्योंकि I fell on my back and my chest. Saved my head though. मैंने सर ऊपर कर लिया था. So all good. Insane.
Yes.
Only 1 star player here.
Yes, the best.
God.
Good.
Instagram पे भी देंगे. इधर celebration कर.
Let's go.